Back on the 76 Corvette project. I've actually been working on it pretty steady since the last video. I just haven't been filming a whole lot. But as you can see, the car looks a little different right now. I got the body pulled off the frame. I did film that, so I'll include that in this video. But since the last video, I've mainly been working on trying to wrap up the repairs to the birdcage. I think I've got that like 95% done. Just gotta finish up a few little areas and grind down all the welds, and then I can get that coated in 415. So that's why I went ahead and lifted the body off the frame. Wanted to get all of that metal structure nice and solid again before I lifted it, so nothing would get tweaked out of shape or anything like that. So now got the frame ready to start stripping down, getting all the parts off of it, and I can get all the old paint and rust cleaned up on the frame. Frame actually looks pretty good. If you guys have watched my older videos of this car, you'll probably know that when I did the engine rebuild, I jacked up like one side of the frame at the time and tried to clean and paint the frame as best I could. So I think that, you know, kind of helped it out, but definitely wasn't the best of jobs, and I couldn't get to all the areas that I can now, of course. So plan is to get it cleaned up really nice and then coat it in 415 and top coat it as well. So the next video I'll probably be showing me stripping down the frame, you know, getting all of the components off of it. I've already started getting new parts in to go back on it when I get the frame painted. You know, all of the new suspension bushings and everything that I've actually never done on this car. A lot of the suspension stuff, so it's going to feel like a totally different car when I get it back on the road. But that's enough yammering. Let me go ahead and show you what little bit of video I do have of the birdcage, wrapping that up, and got my floor pans in as well. I forgot to mention. So I haven't been taking a bunch of video of that, but I got quite a few pictures that I'll throw in here. And then I'll show you the big body lift, getting it off with my homemade gantry. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. it.